and no one is actually going strictly after bulldozer rental. There's Sunbelt rentals, tool and truck rental. So if you just went after your entire site and listing towards bulldozer rentals, you could show up very targeted above a lot of these other companies that are just doing general tool rental. And then eventually you could add more tools down the road. So I'm just going to run through the rest of these niche serviced ideas a little bit quicker. By now you get the idea of how I'm going through and finding that each of these is high search volume, but low competition. So the next one is stump removal. Rather than going after all sorts of landscaping or tree services, just going after stump removal and then expanding from there.